Hello, I am Emily Chomsland with 10x Flow SEO. I'm going to really quickly show you how you can do some external linking within your content to help you with your SEO. So I have right here an article, and I have this sentence here. So this is an opportunity to incorporate another website and to link to another website in a way that's both helpful and honest. So if you're interested in learning more about this, is about Parkinson's dogs. So I'm going to go ahead and you're just going to come with me as I look for information about Parkinson's dogs. So I'm going to take into account the SEO of the website I want to link to. The first websites that are showing up are sponsored. That means their SEO is not what we want to link to. Parkinson's Foundation, Service Dogs for Parkinson's. This is a great one to link to because it's the foundation for like Parkinson's disease, probably. So I'm going to click on that, and it's the top ranking website for this as far as we can see. So this would be a great website for us to link to. Okay, so when you're creating an article, any time you're gathering information from strong websites, we can always use that as an opportunity to link to those websites because linking helps with SEO. So with these top ranking websites, we can give them the credibility, like if you're using some of their information and you're reiterating it in your words, then you can use them as a source to source them. So I'm copying the link. I just went over here and I copied the link. I just click on this button here, copy link, and then I'm going to go back to the article. A lot of tabs open. Okay. Okay, so and I'm just gonna put it in Parkinson's dogs right here. I'm just gonna put the link in here. So I'm gonna control click on it and then insert link. And then I paste it in, Command V. And I'm just going to so basically now we have an external link in here. And it's probably smart with your articles to do at least one, but optimally you could do up to 5 links to other people's articles. Especially if you're getting information from other websites, it's actually a good opportunity for us to link to those websites. And it's just as easy as I just showed you. You can just find a word in a sentence and just put the link in there. You don't have to make a whole sentence about, and we found this information. So you can just kind of plop those links in whenever you have a chance. And that really helps the SEO. So that's basically it for external linking. So thanks guys, and we will talk to you later.